If your Chevy Traverse passengers are sweating while the front stays cool, we're going to fix that rear AC control right now. Statistically, over 60% of these climate issues stem from a failed blend door actuator in the rear quarter panel. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to find the exact point of failure. Start with the basics by checking the lockout button and the HVAC fuses before tearing into the interior panels. The blend door actuator uses plastic gears that often strip, leaving the air stuck at one temperature regardless of the setting. If you have no airflow at all, the culprit is likely the rear blower motor or its dedicated resistor pack. Replacing the actuator yourself saves hundreds in labor, but it does require removing several interior trim pieces. Most parts for this repair are relatively inexpensive, making it a great project for a weekend mechanic. Before replacing parts, try this software reset to see if the actuators just need to recalibrate their positions. You will need a basic socket set and plastic pry tools to avoid scratching your Traverse's interior panels. Remember to verify the signal from the front console to ensure the wiring harness hasn't been pinched. With the right diagnosis, you can get the cold air flowing again. Good luck with your repair and stay cool out there.